Okay, so now we're going to talk about the captive key system for the guarding. All right, the key on this machine is a 6-key key bank. It's mechanical electrical combination system. You have an A key with 5 B keys which go to the doors. The way this system works, once the A key is removed, you can't get the B keys out of the bank. And it works in reverse. With the A key installed and a B key removed, you can't remove the A key. Okay, this is the A key solenoid. Once it's in and turned, it's locked in place. Once you turn the power on, there's a 0-speed sensor inside that locks this from being removed here with the machine running until all moving parts have stopped. Then it'll release and you can take it out. Once it's out, back to the key bank, then you can open the doors.